What is up, guys? Mastic over here. Today I'm going to show you how to change spark plugs on this BMW Z4. Let's get straight to it. So what you need is a set of Allen keys and what's it called? We got to take these all out. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so the Allen key measurement is 5. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those. Oops, take those out. I lost my POV strap for some reason. I don't know where it's at, but take this out. Hoping I can reach this. Sure can. Take those out. And put those here so we don't lose them. I don't know if this can come out. Oh, it does. I don't gotta remove the cover or the oil cap. Okay, so it's super easy on these motors because the engine bay is hella big. On other cars, the thing would be right here, the cowl, or the close to like the firewall, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up on this. It might be hard a little bit if you haven't changed them in a while. This one you have to lift up a little bit. Same thing here. And same thing there. Now I'm gonna show you the procedure for one of them only because it's just repetitive after that. There's no need. You just kind of pull this out. It's gonna take a little force. If this or that or whatever it is don't pull out as easy, you can just get a flathead and just wedge it right here and use the valve cover to take it out. However, let's start with this. So for this application, you will need a 16 millimeter. See if I can do it one hand. Cool. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it out with this. Cool. Now, in order to take this out, I can use this back. I don't think you need a magnet. Oops, I think you do. Fuck it, I'll get a magnet because my socket isn't magnetic. Okay, so I went ahead and got a magnet. You can take out. Well, make sure your magnet has something to grab like this on the end of it because I don't know, mine's a bit weak, so I need to use that grabbing feature. This is the spark plug right here, and this is the condition that it's in. I don't know if you guys can see it pretty well right here. Not too bad, but with to be changed. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same process for the rest of the 5, and I'm gonna be right back. So we're right here at the very front one. I put all the rest of the new ones in. So what we wanna do is put this spark plug in like this. You can just make sure that you hold it with the tip of your finger so it doesn't drop and mess up the gap. You can put it in like this, but I'm not going to, so I'm gonna what's it called, do it hand tight first, or just at least guide it with my hand in the thread. Now that it's inside the thread, super quick, we can go send it. Not too much. That's it. Now we're gonna go ahead and torque all of them. And the spark plug gets torqued up to 17 foot-pounds. So set mine dialed at 17. There you go, popped. We're good to go. We'll go ahead and put the ignition coils back, turn it on, make sure it's not misfiring. I'm sorry guys, my phone died, but that was the procedure for the removal and installation. It's super simple. Car started fine, there was no issues with it. Just follow the instructions in the video and your car should be working fine. Have a good day, see ya.